In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start my furniture business on Amazon 2025. Step by step. We'll start by narrowing your focus. Instead of trying to sell every type of furniture, pick one clear niche so your products, branding, and listings speak to a specific customer. Great options include home office desks, ergonomic chairs, bookshelves, bed frames, storage cabinets, or small space apartment pieces. A quick tip here: lightweight, flat pack designs are usually cheaper to produce, store, and ship, which can make your margins healthier from day one. Next, validate demand directly on Amazon. Search the product you're considering and study the results. Note the best seller rank to gauge volume, the number of reviews to understand competition, the pricing landscape, and the common complaints in reviews. You're looking for strong demand combined with weak branding, poor photos, or unclear descriptions. Those are gaps you can fill to win clicks and conversions. Choose the business model that fits your skills and resources. Private label is often the best path for furniture because you own the brand, control quality, and keep higher margins. Wholesale is simpler, but margins are thinner. If you build pieces yourself, consider applying through Amazon Handmade to highlight craftsmanship. Set up your Amazon professional seller account at sellercentral.amazon.com. Complete identity, banking, tax, and phone verification. The professional plan is the right choice if you intend to scale and access the full toolset. Now secure a supplier. You can work with local manufacturers, overseas factories, or custom workshops. Before placing a bulk order, always request samples. Test durability, ease of assembly, and packaging strength. In furniture, packaging can make or break your return rate. So stress test corners, hardware bags, and protective foam. Decide whether to use FBA or FBM. With FBA, Amazon stores and ships your products, enabling fast prime delivery and higher buyer trust, best for smaller, lighter items. With FBM, you handle fulfillment, which often makes sense for bulky or custom pieces, and when oversized FBA fees would erode profit. Many furniture sellers lean FBM for this reason. Create a high converting listing with crisp images, exact dimensions, clear assembly details, packaging notes, lifestyle photos, and simple infographics. A strong title could be Modern 47-inch wooden computer desk with storage shelf, easy assembly home office table, small space friendly. Run your numbers carefully, include manufacturing, shipping, Amazon fees, packaging, and advertising, and aim for at least a 20 to 35% profit margin. Launch with sponsored products, coupons, limited time discounts, and bundle deals. The first 30 to 60 days are crucial for ranking, so monitor performance and adjust budgets quickly. Finally, prioritize